Today we will discuss about the impression trays. Let's start with definition. A receptacle or a device that is used to carry, control and confine the impression material while making an impression. Requirements of impression tray. 1. The impression tray should be rigid. 2. It should be dimensionally stable. 3. It should provide space for impression material while making an impression. 4. The borders of the tray should be smooth so that it does not injure the oral tissues. 5. The method of construction of the custom trays should be simple. 6. The borders of the tray should be easy to trim. Types of impression trays. Based on purpose or use, it is of 4 types. First, prefabricated, stock tray. Second, custom, individualized tray. Third, sectional tray. Fourth, triple tray. Dentulous prefabricated stainless steel perforated tray. They are rigid, dimensionally stable, used several times, available in different sizes. The perforations in the trays help in retention of the set impression material. Image of stock tray. Classification of stock tray. It is divided into 2 types. 1. Edentulous. 2. Dentulous. Edentulous tray may be perforated or non-perforated. Custom or individualized trays can be fabricated and used for the individual patients, made for both dentulous and edentulous arches. The custom trays are fabricated on the preliminary casts. Custom trays can be made with self-cure resin and shellac baseplate. Custom trays provide uniform space for the impression material. Sectional tray. It is used for making impressions of dentulous arches in sections, like anterior and posterior sections. Sectional trays are perforated trays made of plastic material. They are usually used for making provisional or temporary restorations in fixed prosthodontic procedures. Triple trays. Triple trays are used for making impressions in fixed prosthodontics, while making impressions, registration of teeth to receive the prosthesis, opposing teeth and the interocclusal relationship between the teeth are registered at the same time. Triple trays are available in sections as for anterior and posterior quadrants. If you want notes on this lecture, then you can visit my Telegram channel.